Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about the top 5 mobile MMORPG games that can make you 500 pesos daily. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding these games. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon itong top 5 mobile MMORPG games that can make you up to 500 pesos daily. Disclaimer lang mga brother, no? So bago kayo kumita ng 500 pesos daily, first, kailangan nyo mag-progress sa game and kailangan nyo rin mag-exert ng time and effort. It's not an easy money, alright? It sounds like it's an easy money, but it's not. It requires time, it requires effort, and also syempre tiyaga din guys, no? Kasi hindi naman ganun kadaling kumita ng pera. So, one thing for sure is do not treat this as your main job. Okay? Kung gawin niyo lang tong hobby or part-time, if you wanted to just have fun in a game and also make money in the game, then you can play these games, okay? Pero if you're going to treat this as a main source of income, don't. Huwag kayo mag-quit sa trabaho nyo. Okay? Ganun lang naman guys. But anyway, bago din tayo magsimula, gusto ko lang kayong invite na mag-join sa ating group which is BM Gaming TV Group. So pasok kayo sa Facebook group natin and once you were able to join our Facebook group, pwede kayong ma-invite sa Facebook community natin, sa community chat. Kasi wala na yung chat groups natin guys. So kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na kayo nakakapag-chat dun sa previous chat groups natin. Dinilit na kasi yon ni Facebook. So ang meron na ngayon is community chats. But I will also create a Telegram channel and also para naman sa mga TikTok subscribers natin or supporters natin, gagawa na rin tayo ng content sa TikTok as well. Hopefully, hindi siya ma-mute kasi kapag mga make money games, minumute yan ni TikTok. Okay? But anyway, balik na tayo sa main topic natin dito sa video na to. So ano nga ba yung mga games na pwede talaga kayong kumita ng up to 500 pesos daily? Now, this one, alright, ito is saksing patunay guys na talagang kayang kumita ng 600 pesos to 500 pesos daily. Okay, si WeedM. Now, this one requires multiple accounts. Okay, so ako dati limang accounts yata ako dito na naka-auto farm. Gamit natin is emulator. But I think they have changed the methods on how you can make money in this game. Basically, nung first month nito guys, I think during the first week, I was able to make around 9,000 to 10,000 PHP. Okay? Pero right now, medyo bumaba na yan. Pero possible pa rin naman na humita ng up to 500 dito sa game na to because kung magpo-progress kayo sa game and aalamin niyo yung mga strategies, you will be able to farm the rare items. Meron pa rin naman mga rare items dito and sets na pwede niyo ibenta via diamonds. Na magkano ba yung rate dito when I left? Okay? When I left the game, dahil naging sobrang busy tayo, no? Ang rate dito is between 1,000 diamonds is equivalent to 600 pesos. And the good thing guys is yung rate is the same pa din. Okay? So sa e-server ako naglalaro. I'm not sure kung may bagong server silang nilabas, pero I pretty much left the game when it was around like 3 months existing, no. Hindi na ako masyado nakalaro nun dahil naging busy na tayo with our job as well. But anyway, isa to sa mga possible games na pwede kayong kumita ng up to 500 pesos daily. But kailangan nyo talagang mag-progress dito sa game na to and kailangan multiple accounts. So, isa yan sa mga marirecommend ko sa inyo, especially if you're a fan of, auto gaming. Okay? Now, the second game is the MU Monarchy. Dito ang strategy guys is every time na may bagong server na lalabas, magkikreate kayo ng character and you will be able to sell yung MU coin na tinatawag, you will be able to sell that to other players as well. Okay? You can either sell it for 500 pesos. I think for 100k MU coin, you can sell it for 500 pesos. Pero pag bagong server, usually medyo mataas yung rate dyan. Kasi syempre, mas mura kapag sa player kayo bibili. You can also sell items here and also accounts. Kung kayo yung nauuna sa rankings or nauna kayo within the levels, no, you can pretty much sell your account easily. So, make sure lang na yung gagamitin yung Gmail is a dummy Gmail para at least, mabebenta niyo talaga yung account kung gusto niyo man, okay? Isa lang 'to sa mga paldong games and may mga subscribers tayo na up to now naglalaro pa rin ng MU Monarch because of the RMT capability. Now, hindi naman sila mahigpit in terms of banning, okay? Even with M naman, ang strategy kay with M is ghost trade lang. So, wala pa namang na-ban kay with M. KMU Monarch wala din naman. So pretty much we're good to go. All right. Now the next game is gonna be Run Mobile the Masterclass. Now I have featured this on my channel. Kung mapapansin nyo, last two uploads natin, way back 2 weeks ago, we created two videos. So panoorin nyo na lang dito guys, yung guide sa leveling and also kung paano kikita. So nandito na yan guys sa video na ito. So wag na kayong maghanap ng ibang video guide. Ito na yan guys, kumpleto na dyan. Sinabi ko na lahat dyan, yung ways to farm, ways to earn dito sa Run Mobile the Masterclass. But, the server is gonna be with Stripe na. Kasi bakit? Balita ako sa Stripe, guys, ang rate is between 40 pesos per 1M gold. Ang 1M gold, guys, pwede nyo siyang ma-farm within 1.5 hour. Okay, so if you're just doing this for fun, let's say day off nyo, you just wanna have some fun and, farm items or gold, then you can actually go with the RAN Mobile Masterclass and sa Stripe kayo magpa-level. Pag mga level 100, you will be able to easily farm around 1M in just an hour and a half or 2 hours. Okay, so kung makapag-farm kayo ng mga, let's say, 10M within the day, then you will be able to get easy 400 pesos, 'di ba? So ganun siya kasimple. But anyway, guys, it really depends as well on your level. So the more na mataas yung level nyo, the more na makakapag-clear kayo sa higher max. Especially kapag nasa Leo kayo, like Leo 1F or Leo 2F. I think Leo 1F is the best spot for farming gold kasi medyo malaki yung gold doon, nasa around 300 to 400, 360 ata per mob. Tapos makakapag-clear kayo ng mabilis. Okay, that's the good thing about this game. And hindi ko lang na-videohan or hindi ko lang na-record yon, pero I will create a video sa the masterclass server. Mapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-farm ng gold doon. Okay? Anyway, let's go to the next game which is si Walk Online Mobile. Now, this is also a Run Mobile gameplay. Pero nauna sila sa Run Mobile the Masterclass, okay? Ito yung Pioneer. Okay, and kung mapapansin nyo guys, very smooth na rin and also acquired na rin siya ni PlayPark. So may partnership na sila with PlayPark. Now, the game is pretty much stable. So far, meron na siyang 100k downloads. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, naging solid na rin yung animation niya. I think mataas na yung skills dito. I'm not really sure kung ano yung max level, pero I'll try to explore it as well. Kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-level ulit dito after a couple of years. I think first time that I looked onto this game was 2017 pa. Okay? Or I'm not really sure. Basta unang release niya, doon ko siya tinignan, guys. No? Hindi pa ganyan ka-pulido yung graphics niya. But anyway, you can also make money here kapag okay na yung accounts nyo. Like, may mga farming spots din dito, which I will also check for you guys para mabigyan ko kayo ng updated guide and tutorial. Okay? Last but not the least is itong si Triwar. Now, bakit ko sinama si Triwar dito? Kasi Triwar is also one of the best games that you can play right now and medyo maganda yung RMT dito. So far, meron naman siyang auto, so hindi kayo umay na, mag-AFK gaming. So basically, what you just have to do here is to progress your character and farm. Now, dito, nasasabi ko na paldo yung kitaan. It is because napaka-rare ng mga items dito. Even yung mga resources, pang craft, rare na rare siya, guys. So talagang kailangan yung mag-farm and kailangan nyo talagang i-grind yung game na to. Kahit auto siya, guys, medyo mahirap siya. Okay? So, in-explore ko pa to ngayon right now. Kumbaga, ito yung ginagawa natin. Nagpapa-level tayo dito. At the same time, naglalaro din tayo ng masterclass, no? I'm going to also create a character sa Strife para ma-check ko yung kung gaano kaganda dun sa server na yun ngayon kasi nga mataas yung rate. And also, if we will be able to find some buyers as well para sa mga subscribers natin, we will do it. But basically, that's it, guys. That's the top 5 MMORPG games sa mobile na pwede kayong kumita ng up to 500 pesos per day. Now, if you do have any other recommendations, guys, you can always message me okay, sa ating page which is yung BM page natin or puwede rin kayo mag-message sa ating official Facebook account 'no. Check niyo na lang sa description yung mga accounts natin. Puwede rin naman sa TikTok guys, para at least, mabigyan niyo ako ng idea kung ano yung mga games pa na puwede nating i-share dito sa channel natin. But expect guys na continuous na yung upload natin and we are going to make sure that, it would help other people as well, especially those who are looking for, making money sa bahay habang nakatapat sa computer or naglalaro sa mobile device nila. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panonood and alam niyo na, this is BM and I'm out.